ng kalaban mo. Bakit ayaw ng defense mag-stipulate sa documents na pares naman sila? It's because they are doubting the documents of the prosecution. But if Attorney Kapunan is proposing to use the defense's documents, ano pang dahilan? Bakit ayaw ng defense?
Ma'am, yung mga ARs are evidence of misappropriation, di ba? Misuse? Okay, this is the...
Acknowledgement receipts are ito yung tinatawag nating DEPs.
Correct. So,
Documents evidencing payments.
so ibig sabihin, if you're in Article 1, if you're trying to show misuse and misappropriation, ito na yun, right?
This
Tama
is
ba?
part of the documents. Part of the documents.
Makikita na naman natin sino yung mga alleged recipients
Okay.
of those confidential funds acknowledgement receipts. So tingnan naman natin
Speaking of
ano na namang
confidential fund,
mga
you
pangalan
have-
na nandyan.
May minention si Attorney Kapunan, mga names na parang pang fruit salad. Lalabas na ba yun dito dapat kay Saidin?
Siyempre, mas maganda, antayin natin, di ba? Para may surprise. Kasi pag sinabi namin, hindi pa uwi na. Kailangan may tayo, may surprise.
So no, hindi?
Hi, ma'am.
Well, we expect some names to be mentioned. So, tingnan na lang natin.
Sige, ma'am.